Carers of West Lothian are a small local charity voluntary sector organisation that are there to support unpaid carers in West Lothian. Carers of people with any condition at all, but I specifically look after carers of people that are supporting someone with dementia or Alzheimer's. Morisons provide a legal service to our carers in West Lothian, whereby carers can access legal information regarding power of attorney, guardianship orders, financial implications of being a carer, financial implications of people moving into care homes. Morisons are there for any of that information. They also come out and deliver training courses to our carers, make them aware of legal issues, make them aware of guardianship orders and trust funds, wills, and generally give them any information that they might need. It's an issue that none of us kind of think about until we have to. Nobody likes to think about a will, nobody likes to think about power of attorney, and people are under the misapprehension that if they're married then they can represent their husband or their wife legally, whereas the law requires them to have that power of attorney to be able to make financial and welfare decisions if that person can no longer represent themselves. So it's a bit of education for the carers. Some of them are quite surprised when you tell them that they do need a power of attorney or a guardianship order. So it's really important. We want to reduce the stress on the carer as much as possible. Having things done like this as soon as possible in the process of looking after someone means that it's another level of stress that they don't have to go through later on. We chose Morisons because they came with a good reputation. Carers of West Lothian used to use the Enable organisation to deliver our training courses, but they were unable to carry on doing that. So we asked them to recommend a firm of lawyers or solicitors who could fill in and do the same work. They recommended Morisons, and I was put in touch with Gillian Brown, who immediately, nothing was a problem. They came out and delivered training courses to ourselves, didn't charge us any expenses, and were very keen to get involved with supporting carers in West Lothian. So they came with a very good reputation, and they've only enhanced that in West Lothian. Carers are looking for straightforward, simple information. They're looking for accurate information, and they're looking for it to be as stress-free as possible. And Morisons deliver on all sort of aspects of that. The feedback that we get from carers who have interviews with Morisons Solicitors is that it's a very relaxed atmosphere. They may be going with some preconceived ideas about what talking to a lawyer is going to be about, and they come out feeling that they've just been chatting with a friend, but that friend's going to take care of the business that they need done.